Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Peyton and today I'm back with another video. If you are new, please hit that subscribe button, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. Today's video is going to be my skincare routine, and it is an updated skincare routine because the last one that I did with my Accutane review. My skincare routine will be first, and then I'll talk about my skincare journey afterwards. Before I actually show you guys my skincare routine, I want to mention that at one point in time my skin was really bad. I used a different skincare routine that was basically for oily / acne prone skin, and then my skin got a lot better. Then I got on Accutane afterwards and I switched up my skincare routine. I've been off Accutane for about 4 to 5 months, and now my skincare routine is different. So I'll be telling you guys my skincare routine before Accutane and my skincare routine now. I definitely recommend my skincare routine now for oily / acne prone skin, but I would definitely recommend a lot of the products that I used to use before I got on Accutane for people who are struggling with acne, dark spots, and things of that nature. I recommend watching the whole video so that you can see the products that I use now and the other products that I used to use. And I would also recommend, you know, mixing some of the products that I use now and the products that I used to use if you are someone who struggles with acne. So let's just hop right into it. I'm gonna show you guys my skincare routine first, and then afterwards I'll be explaining about my previous skincare routine. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and let's get started. So this is me waking up this morning with the not fresh face, and I'm just going to put my hair into a ponytail for the purpose of this video. So I'm first going to start off by showing you guys my spin brush. I got this off eBay for about $20. Then I'm going to be using my Dr. Bronner's Pure Castile soap. I got this from Target. Then I'll be using my Ultra Repair Cream from First Aid Beauty, and my Cerave Moisturizing Cream. Also got this from Target. Then my last moisturizer is going to be my Neutrogena Oil-Free Moisturizer for sensitive skin. And then I have my Banish Pumpkin Enzyme Mask that I use to exfoliate. And last but not least, I'll be using my Micellar Cleansing Water from Garnier. And that's what I use to take off my makeup, but I won't be taking off my makeup in this video. I just use that at night usually. So I like to start off by running hot water on my spin brush. Then I'm going to be taking my Dr. Bronner's Pure Castile soap and just squeezing a little bit on there. This stuff is really strong, so I don't like to use a lot. You're actually supposed to dilute it with water, but I don't. And then I'm just going to take my spin brush again and run it under the water. And I just wash my face. I'm going all around, getting it all in there, cleaning it up. Look at me go. After about 2 minutes of washing my face with my spin brush, I just take some cold water and just rinse all that soap off. Then I use my towel and just pat my face dry. So I just start off with my First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cream, and I just take a little dime size amount of that and just rub it all over my face. And then I take my Cerave Moisturizing Cream and I do the same little dime size amount and just rub it on my face. And then last but not least, I take my Neutrogena Moisturizer and do 2 pumps and just rub that all around my face. And like I said, I didn't have on makeup, but I just wanted to show you guys what I do when I do wear makeup. I usually just take about 3 to 4 of these pads and just take off my makeup, but I don't know. I just wanted to show you guys what I do. I try to exfoliate 2 to 3 times a week, just because that's good for your skin. And I'll always use my Pumpkin Enzyme Mask from Banish, and I love this stuff. And I'll just usually leave that on for about 10 minutes, and when I'm done, I just rinse it off with more cold water. So that was basically it for my skincare routine. Now I'm going to tell you guys the specific things and products that I did and used when I had really bad acne before I was on Accutane, and I'll also explain the specific breakdown of my skin. I started breaking out really bad when I was like a first year. I'm a third year now at UCLA, and I was like really stressed. I wasn't eating right, I didn't get enough sleep, and I wasn't drinking a lot of water. I was just basically doing all things terribly. And then my skin was really bad. I'll include some pictures of what it used to look like. Most of the pictures that I have are like my dark spots and the things that was left after my breakouts, just because I didn't want to take pictures or look in my face. It was just like at one point I would look in the mirror and I'm just like, wow, my skin's terrible. I have these terrible dark spots, and I was just super insecure and I didn't really even know what to do. I started watching a lot of different videos. I talked to my dermatologist, and then I just started picking a lot of different products. Now my skincare routine was very lengthy. I used a lot of products, and it usually took me like 10 minutes in the morning and the night to do my skincare routine. So I've always washed my face 2 times a day. Even with the previous skincare routine that I show you, I do it once in the morning, once at night, and then I also exfoliate every other day. I'm just gonna read from the list of products that I have here, and I'm just gonna try to include some pictures of them if I can. Now I can't sit here and tell you guys all the specific things that these products do for you because I'm not a dermatologist, but you know, these products worked for me, and I'm pretty sure they'll work for other people because I've heard great things about them. I've recommended these products to people and they've told me that they've helped. And then I'll try to tell you guys specifically what I did and how I used specific products is in order. So the first thing that I would use was Aveeno Salicylic Acid Face Wash. This was really great for acne prone / oily skin, and I will also use my spin brush. When I didn't have my spin brush, I would just use a rag. You never want to use your hands to wash your face. You can use your hands to rinse off your face, but I would still recommend using a rag. Then I would use Thayer's original Witchhazel, and I would just take either a cotton ball or a little face pad, just like I use with micellar water, and just rub that around my entire face. Okay. Then I would use tea tree oil. Tea tree oil is really good for acne. If I ever got like a bump or anything, I would just put it on and rub it in. Or if I wanted to put it on my entire face, I would just put a dime size in my hand, rub it, and then just rub it around my face. Then I would use Bahi Cosmetics Sunflower Sweet Serum. Now this is kind of like a moisturizer thing, and I really feel like this was the product that really helped with my dark spots and my acne the most. Now I might be biased, but that product is really like a holy grail product right there. Like I would definitely recommend that to anybody that's struggling with dark spots and acne, but dark spots mainly. And I would literally just take a drop, like I would take the little squeezy thing and take a little drop of that, put a dime size amount in my hand, rub it together, and just rub it all over my face. Then I would use Fruit of the Earth Aloe Vera Gel, and I would do the same thing. Squeeze a little bit in my hand, just a dime size amount, put it together, or just rub it all around. You know when you put something on your face and you just feel like you can just feel it working? That's how I felt with aloe vera. Then I would use Clinique Dramatically Different Moisturizing Gel, and there's the gel and there's the lotion. So the gel is for people with oily skin because you don't want to put too much product on your face, and then the lotion is for people with dry skin. I would say like this entire skincare routine video is for oily skin or people with acne. If you have dry skin, then I would stick to like a lot of the moisturizers that I use. Dry skin, I really wouldn't use a lot of these products that I'm mentioning. And then the last thing that I would use is Ambi Fade Cream, and I always get people asking me what products are the best for removing dark spots, and I'm definitely just going to tell you guys straight off the back, Ambi Fade Cream is really great, and also Bahi Cosmetics Sunflower Sweet Serum. So both of those products together are really great for removing dark spots and acne or scars, anything like that. Everything else, I'm not going to say which ones I recommend and which ones I don't recommend. It should be based off what you research, what you find, what you talk to your dermatologist about, because everybody's skin is going to react differently to different products that they use. You don't have to use all these products. I wouldn't really recommend it. I feel like I was doing the most with my skin, but I didn't really know which products to use and which products to not use, so I just used them all. Of all the products that I've listed here, I would say that the Sunflower Sweet Serum and the Ambi Fade Cream are probably the ones that y'all came to this video to see. I would say everything else is also really great. Witchhazel and tea tree oil are like the second to best things for removing acne. Yeah, moisturizer, it doesn't really matter what moisturizer you use as long as you use a moisturizer. I just wanted to use a good one. Aloe vera is good for removing your acne, like I said, but I don't really think it did like that much. And the Salicylic Acid Face Wash, I won't say, you know, you have to specifically use this face wash. I would use any face wash that has salicylic acid in it. I hope that I gave you guys the products that you guys were looking for, and I hope this tutorial helped you a lot. I know that I can't give you guys an in-depth tutorial with the products that I used to use before I got rid of my really bad acne, but I just hope this is suffice. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to email me, comment down below, or DM me, whichever way that you feel is the easiest for you. If you guys found this video to be helpful and you liked it, please like, and thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!